different little spot here today. Stay out of the rain. Yeah, nothing but boats here, nothing but boats. Well, you think we'll make it? I hope so. GoPro's not waterproof. Hey, I think I figured out my sound issues. We got a Ducati, a Triumph, and another Ducati. That's good stuff. Alright, half of these guys don't realize, this guy does, thank you sir, half of those guys don't realize that I don't have a stop sign. Come on buddy. And away we go. So I have a little chin curtain kind of thing in the helmet. I've been wondering why I've had a lot more wind coming in from the south of my helmet, and it's because my little chin, the little chin curtain has come unfastened. It kind of like snaps in or something like that, and so when it snaps in, that's what holds my my Xbox replacement microphone in place, and it does a great job. But it's come unsnapped, and that's why I'm having trouble, or at least was having trouble yesterday with my audio, because the microphone was actually, it slipped out and was actually testing the wind. I was hanging out by the old goatee. So, well, I'll fix that when I get home. I don't know if I have it tucked in well enough for you to hear what I'm saying. There's a reason I don't want to ride a scooter. Can you see that? You're getting smushed in between everything over there. It's tough. You save a lot on gas. Guy was certainly visible, but it's pretty tough. I don't know if you're allowed to go up on the sidewalk in a situation like that, but boy, the air is very, very, very nice. And we probably won't get any rain, but you just can't tell. You see that? Oh, I don't know if you could see that as a food truck. Boston's Baddest Burgers. I was almost on that food truck. I think I might have said that before. So, you know, my wife is an artist, and well, she's got nothing up online yet, but she's an artist, and so we used to know that guy that owns the truck, and he was going to commission her to do the artwork for the truck. It was just a blank Grumman for a while, and just white, and of course now it looks pretty colorful. So she took a bunch of pictures, my wife took a bunch of pictures of me on the motorcycle and in my jacket and stuff, to make something kind of cool looking, and I think her designs were really good, but he opted to go with something that looked a little more clip-arty, I guess. I don't know why. Oh, it looks fine. It looks fine, but it would have been cool to have my likeness, you know, my silhouette and stuff, and the Bug Smasher on a food truck. I tried some of the food at one point, and it was very good. I don't know how it is now. It was years ago, and yeah, things changed, so I can't vouch for it, but yeah, it was pretty good back in the day. I'd love to catch up to that Chevy Apache. I think it's an Apache up ahead. Very, very cool pickup truck. I can't tell if there are boys in blue around. I might have a chance to catch up. Let's see. Yeah, isn't that nice? Very, very nice. What's up, dude? Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's get our buns home. Oh, Amazon, what are you doing there, buddy? I'm not going to let you go. That's the situation. You got to be a little rude. I got traffic behind me. They're not looking at me anyway. And so you can imagine if I stop as a motorcycle, I either get rear-ended or he pulls out and takes that left. And then when I go to take my left, you know, somebody doesn't see me and pulls straight into me. So to avoid situations like that, sometimes it's okay to be, you don't have to be courteous. That's not the same as being rude. I was not being rude, but I wasn't being discourteous to the drivers behind me, and I wasn't being a danger to myself. So you got to pick your battles, right? Pick your niceties. All right, now I don't remember if I'm heavy enough to trip this light or not, so this might have been a mistake. Ah, problem solved. Excuse me. I don't know where you guys live, but the seasonal allergies thus far this year have been really, really bad here in New England. So I can't tell. Was that a meager? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. She gave me the little twinkle fingers at first. Well, wasn't sure if that was just drumming on the steering wheel, or if that was actual, hey, hello, officer. They are everywhere. Everywhere you don't want to be. Okay, what have we talked about? My microphone problems, which may have a possible solution. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I guess you gotta put up with the coughing until these trees are done shedding their stuff. So, if the love people that slow down, just go the same speed, then I can turn easily. Anyway, so I might have a solution. If I can't snap the chin curtain back into place, or if I can't figure it out, then one of my options is I do have some 3M Velcro remaining. So I can affix, and I may do it anyway, I can affix some, what's up? Oh, my lovely wife. So I can affix some 3M Velcro to the inside of this helmet, and then I can just Velcro it down, you know what I'm saying? And that will do the trick, but I'm not sure if I can get the chin curtain over that. So I may have to make some decisions here, but I'll let you know what I do. You may not even see this video anyhow, because I'm a rambling man. Lord, I was born a rambling man, demonetized. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon, but in the meantime, Matt the Greeter, care about you. Have a great day. Bye.